I screwed up my bike, and most of the bike shops that I know and use are closed right now because of the pandemic. This thing is pretty cool. Look at this. It's a van, mobile bike shop, and inside of it, look at this. He's got everything in here. So, it has fixed wheel. How long have you had this van for?
This is getting into my second year of business. I've had it since the beginning.
2 years.
The beginning of last year.
Wow, this is an awesome idea. I like this.
Like I told you last time, it's a real ambulance. I took it. It was in service in Kansas, and I picked it up, brought it to the city, and turned it into this.
No, because in the very beginning, all the stores that were like not performing the best service, the way I got around it was doing house calls, and this is like actual professional copy and paste of that model, of just doing house calls and meeting people. And you have literally everything in here that you would need to fix a bike.
Yes, sir. Just about everything. Besides specific cases, I try to make sure I have everything I need on board, and we can take care of it once I do it.
Well, this is where they find you?
Yes, sir.
Well, thank you.